In every era of history, there's always a military innovation that changes the global map of power. In the early 20th century, tanks and fighter jets were game changers. In the Cold War, ballistic missiles and supersonic fighter jets carved a new chapter. Now, in the 21st century, the world is looking to the skies with trepidation. Behind a veil of secrecy, China is preparing a weapon touted as a symbol of future air supremacy, the J-50. This jet is not simply a continuation of the J-20 or a clone of the F-22. It is a manifestation of China's ambition to not just catch up with the West, but to overtake it. Vague satellite imagery, intelligence reports, and whispers from defense industry circles provide only pieces of the puzzle. However, one thing is clear: the J-50 is a new trump card with the potential to reshape the balance of global air power. The J-50 is believed to feature a radical aerodynamic design, a far cry from fifth-generation aircraft. While the J-20 borrows some of the F-22's silhouette, the J-50 looks like a plane from the next decade. Its fuselage is smooth, with almost no sharp angles, seemingly blending with the air. Reports from some analysts suggest the aircraft may use adaptive folding fins that can appear or disappear as needed, stabilizing during maneuvers, then flattening back to enhance stealth. The radar-absorbent material technology used is also said to be a new generation, not just a special paint, but a nanotechnology composite material that absorbs and scatters radar waves. If these claims are true, the J-50 could disappear even from the latest generation of Western AESA radars. The heart of the J-50 is an engine said to be the latest variant of the WS-15 Enhanced Adaptive Engine. This engine is believed to be capable of producing over 180 kilonewtons of thrust, allowing the J-52 supercruise at supersonic speeds without the aid of afterburners. This means the aircraft can fly fast for extended periods without the significant heat signature that is typically a weakness of stealth aircraft. Even more surprising, there are rumors that this engine features adaptive cycle technology, which can adjust the combustion mode for cruise efficiency or full power. If true, the J-50 could reach speeds of over Mach 2, with a cruising range of thousands of kilometers without the need for frequent refueling. This combination of engine and aerodynamic design puts it in a league of its own, surpassing any current fifth-generation aircraft. The J-50 isn't just designed to dominate the skies over land. There's strong speculation that China is developing a carrier-specific variant. With the Type 003 Fujian currently undergoing deck trials and plans for a future nuclear-powered carrier, the J-50 will be the spearhead of Beijing's air-sea projection. Imagine a Chinese aircraft carrier fleet sailing into the Pacific Ocean, and dozens of J-50s soaring from the deck, undetected by radar, infiltrating enemy military bases. Their presence would shatter the belief that American aircraft carriers are the true masters of the sea. In the South China Sea, over Taiwan, and beyond the Pacific, the J-50 could become a strategic weapon that revolutionizes naval warfare doctrine. But what's most exciting is the news that the J-50 won't operate alone. It's said to be capable of acting as the brain in the sky, the controlling brain for a fleet of loyal wingman autonomous combat drones flying in formation. With advanced artificial intelligence, a single J-50 pilot can monitor and control dozens of armed drones. These drones can be used to attack enemy radar, penetrate air defenses, or act as decoys to distract the enemy. Imagine a single J-50 escorted by dozens of autonomous drones, all moving at lightning speed, attacking from multiple directions. The enemy would be overwhelmed, and even sophisticated defense systems could collapse in a matter of minutes. If this concept were to materialize, the J-50 would become more than just a fighter jet, but an AI-powered airborne command center, something even the United States is still developing within its NGAD program. China has often been accused of simply copying technology from the West or Russia. However, the J-50 could be a turning point. From engines to radar, from electronic warfare systems to stealth materials, everything is reportedly being developed on the basis of domestic research. For Beijing, this is not just a military project, but a symbol of technological nationalism. The message it wants to convey is clear: China is capable of standing on par with, or even surpassing, every leaked test. Every satellite image appearing in international military forums is part of a psychological warfare campaign. It's not just about weapons, but also about geopolitical confidence. The secrecy surrounding the J-50 project has the world on edge. There are no official details, only fragments of conflicting intelligence reports. But this mystery is precisely its strength. America, Russia, and Europe are now being forced to accelerate their respective sixth-generation jet programs, from the American NGAD to the Russian PAC-DP to the French-German FCA. This means the J-50 is already functional, even before it is fully operational. It has sparked the biggest air race since the Cold War, forcing the superpowers to burn through budgets to ensure they don't fall behind. In other words, the mere thought of the J-50 is enough to shake the world. Will the J-50 truly be a revolutionary sixth-generation jet, or is it just exaggerated propaganda? The answer remains hidden behind secret hangars and sensor walls at Chinese military bases. However, one thing is clear: the name J-50 has changed the global equation. The world is now anxiously watching the skies, waiting for this stealth fighter to finally make its appearance. If all speculation proves true, the J-50 will be more than just an aircraft, but a new specter that will change the face of modern air warfare. A question hangs in the air: is the world ready for a new era where China holds the key to dominating the skies?